Shovel in hand, Colombia's Minister of Defense has a new mission: demonstrate his country's willingness to fight against drug trafficking. Pedro Sanchez traveled to the Ecuadorian border to visit a cocoa eradication program, all part of a communication campaign to convince an important ally, the United States of America.
If we don't get certification, then obviously the traffickers win and nations lose. Certification is, in a way, a symbol of cooperation, of alliance, of trust, but also of capabilities, of meaningful support that allows us to act with greater force because teamwork works better.
Washington has until the 15th of September to decide if it gives Bogota that crucial certification. At risk is nearly $500 million in US funding to combat cartels and left-wing guerrillas funded by cocaine trafficking. In the last few weeks, violent fighting broke out between the Colombian army and different narco-trafficking groups, where dozens of people were killed. The Trump administration is taking a hardline approach to fighting cartels in the region. The US deployed warships near the Venezuelan coast. The Colombians, though, called the move counterproductive.
There is no doubt that countries in the region are committed to the fight against drug trafficking. But this disproportionate American presence, given the tensions between Venezuela and the United States, compels us to warn that interference is not possible.
The situation is getting worse. According to the UN as well as Colombian authorities, coca cultivation in Colombia has increased by 70% since 2022.